Welcome children from Little Bird School. Today I am explaining about the remaining portion of chapter number 1, Sources of History, Social Science subject. Yes, you are aware of the incidents and personalities of the 20th century from articles and photographs. Yes children, at the previous part, in the previous lecture, I am explaining about 20th century's incidents which were published in the newspaper, articles, and it was also very famous at that time. That from that we also known as it is a Millennium Gallery. So we also know or aware about the incidents and personalities of the 20th century from articles as well as photographs. Since our history is a very ancient, yes children, our history is a very ancient. We are always eager to know the people were eating and wearing in. We have always in our mind the question arise that in the previous times or in the past time, what the people were eating, what kind of dressing style at that time, at what kind of house they were live. So from that, at what were the daily activities they do at their life at that time. Let us gather correct information or reliable sources. Our next topic is Tadpatra and Bhojpatra. See children, Tadpatra. Tadpatra means, Tad means a palm tree. In previous times or in ancient times, many of the kings they were written their information or letter to communicate with another people in this Tadpatra. So this is known as a Tadpatra. See, you can know about the past through various sources. Yes, we already know about most of the things. We already get many of the knowledge or information from these various sources. The Tadpatra and Bhojpatra manuscripts written mostly in the Pandu script. Yes, these both the things. It means this both the script were written. This is known as a manuscript, and it was mostly written in the Pandu script. It means the times of the Pandavas. Pandu scripts are of some of them. Bhojpatra. Bhojpatra made from the skin of the tree named Bhoj. This Bhojpatra is made up from the skin of the tree named Bhoj. Yes, I am repeating another time. Bhojpatra. Bhojpatra made from the skin of the tree named Bhoj. Although most of the Pandu script have been destroyed by the insects. Yes children, when the days were passing on, it was written in the 20th century. It was written at the ancient time, so many of the scripts, Pandu scripts, were destroyed by the insects, but some are still preserved or some are still remain in our libraries, temples, viharas, government museums. From using these sources, we also get a lot of information about the kings, administrations, public life and ancient times. Yes children, from that we also seen that from these things we get a lot of information about that how that time the king ruined their administration or at the ancient times. Now we are studying about stone inscription. Stone inscription. In the ancient times, many incidents like achievements of kings, whatever the achievements of kings, it was written in the stones, as well as writing of orders, then treaties, and other states were carved on the stones or metals. Many of the king's achievements were written in the stones as well as metal plates. These metal plates and stone writings, these both the writings are also known as inscriptions, exist even today and preserved. These are also exist, or these are also remaining with us. These are also present here, and we all these things preserved in the museums, archives, where preserved in it, such as the National Archive of Delhi. These metal plates and stone inscriptions, we were kept safely or preserved it safely in the National Archives of Delhi. Next, during excavations, utensils, stone tools, ancient ornaments which were found us to know about the history in the ancient times. Yes, during excavation. Excavation means, yes children, I am telling about the meaning of excavation. Excavation means digging of a hole. Please children, written the meaning of excavation: digging in the ground or digging in the soil. From this excavation we get many of the things like utensils, stone tools, ancient ornaments. From this all the things we know about the history of the ancient times. Based on the picture of 1.4, gather information similar objects found from excavation site near your residence. Archaeologists do. Yes, archaeologist. What is the work of archaeologist? Listen carefully children. I am saying the meaning of archaeologist: a person who studies human history and prehistory through the excavation of sites. It is known as archaeologist. Repeating another time, the meaning of archaeologist: a person who studies human history and prehistory through the excavation of sites. It is known as archaeologist. So we can also know the history of ancient times from the old coins, stone inscriptions, paintings and metal plates. These all are the things, they were given the information about our ancient history, about our old times. Now children, our chapter is completed. I am given you some MCQ questions. It is some short test which you have to given. You were written in your notebook. Okay, this is an MCQ type question. I am repeating this question for you. Okay. Chapter number 1, Sources of History. Question number 1, MCQs. Sources like pictures, objects or coins given information about which of the following time? Repeating another time the question. Sources like pictures, objects or coins give information about which of the following? Options are A, time, B, history, C, country or foreign country, D, films. Now our second question is, which script is mainly found in Tadpatra and Bhojpatra? The question repeating another time. Which script is mainly found on Tadpatra and Bhojpatras? The options are Sadhu Khadi, Bhojpuri, Awadhi, Pandu. The options are option A Sadhu Khadi, option B Bhojpuri, option C Awadhi, option D Pandu. Our next question is question number 3. By which name the articles carved on metal or stone are known as? Yes, repeating another time the question. By which name the articles carved on metal or stone are known as? The options is option A inscription, option B metal writings, option C stone writings, option D writings or Bhojpatra. Repeating another time the options. Option A inscription, option B metal writings, option C stone writings, option D writings or Bhojpatra. Our next question, question number 4. By which name will you know the person knowing the ancient history? Question repeating another time. By which name will you know the person knowing the ancient history? Options are A linguist, option B sociologist, option C archaeologist, option D historian. The options are linguist, A linguist, B sociologist, C archaeologist and D historian. Our next question, last question is question number 5. In which city Sri Hemchandracharya Library is situated? In which city Sri Hemchandracharya Library is situated? The options are A Ahmedabad, B Rajkot, C Baroda, D Patan. Repeating another time the question. In which city Sri Hemchandracharya Library is situated? Options are A Ahmedabad, B Rajkot, C Baroda, D Patan. Okay, thank you children. This question this is a homework for you, okay, or test, whatever it is, but I am seeing in our next lecture. Okay, thank you.